how to filter rows using the where clause in SQL. Look at the customers table. Now let us solve a more realistic problem. Suppose our online store is running a special promotion in Mumbai. We would like to send a notification only to customers who are from Mumbai. So first, we need to find those customers in our database. Our requirement is this: fetch all customers who are from Mumbai. Amit is from Mumbai. Ravi is also from Mumbai. So these are the two rows we expect in the result. Now let us rewrite our requirement in a form that is closer to SQL. Select all columns from the customers table where city equals Mumbai. We already know how to select all columns from the customers table. Now we need to translate this condition into SQL where city equals Mumbai. To specify a filtering condition in SQL, we use the where clause. The where clause begins with the where keyword. Next, we specify the condition. We use the exact column name from the table. Here, the column name is city. To check whether city is equal to Mumbai, we use the equal to comparison operator. The equal to operator is represented by a single equal symbol. Then we write the text Mumbai inside single quotes. This is our complete query to fetch all customers from Mumbai. Run the query. As expected, only Amit and Ravi are returned. Both rows satisfy the condition that city equals Mumbai. So the idea is that where clause is used to filter rows based on a condition. The general syntax is this: first, we select the columns. Then we specify the table. And then we specify the filtering condition using the where clause. The general form of a comparison condition is this: we write the column name on the left, the comparison operator in the middle, and the value to compare on the right. In our example, city is the column name. The equal symbol is the comparison operator, and Mumbai is the value we are comparing against. We will learn about the different comparison operators in detail in the next tutorial. Now let us look at one more example. Suppose we want to find the customer whose customer ID is 3. Look at the customers table. Only Ravi has customer ID 3. So only Ravi should be returned. Our requirement is this: select all columns from the customers table where customer ID equals 3. We already know the select and from parts. For the condition, we use the customer ID column. Then we use the equal to operator, and the value is 3. Notice that 3 is a number, so we do not write it inside single quotes. This is our complete query to fetch the customer whose customer ID equals 3. Run the query. Only Ravi is returned because only that row satisfies the condition customer ID equals 3. So the main idea is this: the where clause lets us return only those rows that satisfy a given condition. In this tutorial, we learned how to use the where clause to filter rows based on a condition. In the next tutorial, we will learn about the comparison operators we can use to create different types of conditions.